Now this illustration shows different size conductors. Notice in the illustration, we have two 12-2 with ground cables, and we have two number 14 with ground cables, and we're selecting a square box with the conductors or the cables supported with cable clamps. So in the count, you have two cable clamps. You have four number 12s with two equipment grounds. You have two number cables coming in that are number 14, so that the count would be four number 14 conductors and two number 14 equipment grounds. Now, that is the count of conductors plus the cable clamps. So in the next illustration, we will perform the calculation based on different size conductors this time and see how we come out with a calculation. Instead of just counting the number of conductors, we're counting the cubic inch rating this time.